Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this simple bread roast. I tried out a bread roll today. It was looking so yummy, beautiful and soft. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that if I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Ingredients for this bread: you need your 6 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, you need sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar, you need your salt, half teaspoon, just 3 grams, just 1 tin milk, this 2.5 tablespoons of yeast. I'm using instant yeast, and 1 egg. Right now, take your time and sieve your flour very well. I love sieving my flour. After sieving your flour, you pour in your yeast and you add 1 cup of warm water. This is warm water, not hot water. Warm water. You just need warm water. Add a little sugar to it, stir it a little, and you cover to activate the yeast. Now I'm removing a little flour that I will use for kneading. You can see I have to remove my rings, wash my hand very well because I'm using my hand to knead today. So add your butter, you add your, I'm using margarine, not butter. Add your margarine, you add salt, you also add your sugar. Take your time to mix very well. Take your time, mix very well before you add your yeast. As you can see, our yeast is up, ready to be used. So pour in your yeast. From adding milk first, add your 1 tin milk, mix very well. You add in your yeast. Take your time. Mix and you bring it out on your work surface and you start kneading with your remaining flour. Knead it up to 15 minutes. You can see it's coming back, so knead very well. Right now I used butter to grease my bowl. I'll cover with a clean film. It will stay for an hour, but I noticed as if the bowl is small, so I have to change it with a bigger bowl. You see, I have to change it to a bigger bowl so that our dough will have enough space to rise. Wow, just see, very, very big. You see, that's why I have to change to a bigger box. Knit it a little, bring together, and you cut it. If you have not liked my video, click the like button, click on the thumbs up. It's very important. If you like my video, other people will be able to see it. Please click like my video, share to your friends and family. Right now I have my pan. I've already greased with my butter. You can use vegetable oil for this if you don't have butter or margarine available, so you can use vegetable oil for this. So take your time to mold it into balls and you place inside your pan. After molding, you have to cover it with cling film or your kitchen towel for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see it's already risen. I have to bake. After 25 minutes, our bread is ready. Please don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked it, give me thumbs up. It's very important to me. It encourages me a lot and it also makes other people to see this video. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell and join this lovely family. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. I love you so much. Thanks so much for watching with us. Bye bye.